Let me address that. Because they have not gone through the same reason, I will not handle today's business. I will not handle today's business because I cannot handle it because of what has been uttered. So I will adjourn today's matter so that we handle what is at stake, and we will proceed with whatever has to be proceeded in this matter after that issue has been addressed. But before that, I will allow that you proceed with writing to the CM about what A8, yes, A8 has addressed. Make it formal so that she can have it addressed, and by then she will take the mandate to see who is going to handle this matter. Am I clear? I want to allow you to explore that as well. I am not the final person. There are procedures. So I will adjourn this matter to the 23rd of January. Note the procedure, and council will have to rectify that. They know what to do. They know what to do. So because of that, like I said, there are procedures and there are people who have to answer to those procedures. So I'm not going to put, because again I cannot hear a reply to someone again who is objecting to me.
Your Honor, it was really off the record because it's other than justice.
What I'm saying is simple. What I'm saying is that you have the mandate to make a complaint. You have the mandate to write. No one has stopped you. No one has held your pen. So if you feel aggrieved in any matter, there are officers, and I'm not the last person.
We felt that we should
and I feel I'm the lowest. No, you can write.
We wanted to speak.
Please do write. So that we have proper record.
So we are now.
You're aggrieved. You have redress. This is not the last place. And I'm not the last judicial officer. I am not. So, on that note, I'm going to change the language. Mr. Waiswa abadagamba with any court, there is a procedure, and you're ably represented. Today I have 3 land colleagues, and they have the mandate. If you disagree with me, there is a procedure to follow, because I cannot revise my own ruling, and I will not alter it because I finished mentioning what I mentioned. But if there is anything that you feel that was unfair to you, there is a procedure under the law.
Worship,
which is clear.
Your Worship, we have taken those steps, but now we want to speak to the person sitting to prevail justice.
And that's what I'm saying. And that's what I'm saying.
If you may, please, just give us 2 minutes. We are going to remain as respectful as the
Your Worship, if I may, before my...
Wait a minute, let him finish.
The contention that we have as suspects is that we may not have, we are finding you biased.
Okay.
To speak in very simple terms, and we want to seek that our lawyers find time and put in an application, you recuse yourself from our case. That is
okay.
The point.
That is very clear.
And,
there is the recusal rules.
Yes.
And they are properly under the law. And like I said, if you find it unfair and unjust, there is a procedure for anything. All that you're saying, we have the mandate. You have the mandate to.
Your Worship, you still hold the grip to this matter in terms of dispelling justice, because as you may realize, we are different suspects. We have women. We don't have time to confess.
And that's what I'm saying.
That is why we are using this opportunity.
And that's what I'm saying.
You're going to report that please give us the ample understanding, grant us leave. We interact fully with
all the time.
We interact fully with our lawyers such that they can take our next.
And that's what I'm saying. For today, I am going to handle the business that I was supposed to handle. And if you find that it is going to, there is a procedure. Even if they had started on that day, it would be complete by now.
Your Worship, this process that was started.
We appeared in court today for the hearing of Eddie Mutwe and other colleagues from the NUP. We are shocked that the charge sheet was amended and they added other 3 people on the same charge sheet to make it 17 in total. But before we proceeded, State informed the court that the investigations are ongoing, so we could not have anything. But before we address that issue of an adjournment thought by the State, one of the accused people, Alex Waisom, raised a concern and told the magistrate to recuse herself because they believe that she will not deliver justice to them following the ruling on mandatory bail. The magistrate told them that they have to make it formal and follow the procedures for recusal, and she's adjourned the matter to 23rd because she couldn't do anything since the accused people have already cited bias on her side. So she adjourned the matter. We are coming back on 23rd of January for mention of this case because investigations are ongoing. But this is a call that the State is doing whatever it is doing outside the law. This must be a speedy trial. They already made a disclosure and they intimated that they are ready to start the hearing of this case. Some people have spent over 200 days in prison and they are still making investigations. That investigations must come to an end. And the other manner of how the prison wardens and warders conduct themselves in court, strangling people, it's unacceptable. This is a strong warning that you must abide by what the law says. You must respect the rights of others, and we shall identify you in your individual capacity to be answerable for violating the rights.
Tubalowooza tebanafuna bwenkanya mu kooti eno mu mbeera nti tetumanyi bano omulamuzi ali under pressure leero waali okusinziira ku nze nga sitegedde nabasibe lwaki basazeewo as a group naye mutegedde yakafuna liivu ndowooza ziri oba 2 oba 3 kyanga tutandika kyolaba nti nakyo erabika pressure nini ate nabo balayika baagala omusango guno okutambula mu bwangu tetwasemba okubeera wano ndowooza ebbanga eryasembayo oludda oluwaabira lwali lumaze okulaga nti lulina ne embeera esobola okutandika omusango guno ogenda mu maaso kati bino bina byetulimu wano ne wali olaba nti abasibe bayinza okuba batuufu ate bayinza okuba n'omulamuzi mu mbeera emu endala naye bamuyambye kubanga pressure tumanyi esiga eddamu ziri erituddeko nalyo lyamaanyi kale ndowooza baba bamusabye n'abantu abalala nga banakkiriza tomanya baweko omulala amaze ofuna liivu batambuze omusango guno ogugwe kyanaku nnyo nti kati tugenda mu nnaku za mwezi 15 wiiki ejja balina okuba abamu nga beetaba mu kulonda abamu bagenda kubeera bakulembeze naye nga tebagenda kubanga mu ntandikwa ya kyonna mulimu okulonda mulimu okakuuma mulimu okabanja naye tulowooza nti mu mbeera yonna abali eweeru tujja gezaako okukola ekisoboka abagenda mu bukulembeze bagende mu bukulembeze ate era nga tukimanyi nti tuyingira mu Uganda mpya n'olwekyo mu mbeera emu oba endala tusobole okuba nga baganda baffe bano gye tulaba gye tulaga tulina bajja mu makomera ffe bennyini nga tuyise mu Uganda empya nga Bannayuganda. Essiga lino erya Uganda Prisons ndwanya ekitiibwa era mbadde mbenyumirizaamu nnyo naye ndowooza omuntu omu oba ababiri bw'aba avudde mu mbeera nabo bantu omanyi abantu abo abali mu security forces nze ngenda netegereza ati nabo bantu banyigirizibwa kati omuntu ayinza okubeera wano nga naye alina ebintu ebimuli emabega biyitirivu n'olaba nga avudde mu mbeera emu oba endala ekitabadde kituufu naye nga mu ndowooza yange era nja kugezaako okulaba nti tugoberera kubanga mujjukire ne Sauda Madada allegations weziri ezigamba nti bamukubira eruzira kati bwe tulaba nga ate ne kino kibaddewo mu maaso gaffe ne kamera olaba nga wayinza okuba naddala ku saidi eyo ey'abakyala simanyi komanda waayo naye wayinza okuba walinayo ebyetaaga okutereeza.
Gamba kirabika nti embeera yonna buli kikolebwa mu kkooti eno baagala kumalamu bantu baffe maanyi baagala kuteekawo embeera ey'okuba nti banafuya emitima gy'Abannayuganda naye nze kimpadde essanyu nti aba political prisoners baffe bonna abali mu kkooti bagumu nnyo era bavuddeyo okulwanirira eddembe lyabwe kubanga baludde nnyo mu kkomera ate nga kirabika nti tewali kigenda mu maaso okusinziira ku mulamuzi byakola so babadde batuufu nnyo okusaba omulamuzi ali mu musango aguveemu bafune oba oliawo omulamuzi omulala oba oliawo banaafuna obwenkanya so njagala okwebaza abasibe baffe kubanga bavuddeyo ne balwanirira eddembe lyabwe olunaku olwaleero ate nga kyekiri mu makooti gonna eri ba political prisoners baffe naye ffe twagala okugamba nti nno byonna ebigenda mu maaso olunaku lugenda kukyalo mubiyimirire kubanga ne gavumenti eno si ye yasookawo endala zibaddewo ne zigenda era n'eno nayo akaseera kajja tuuka egende ate nga bw'olaba nti abasirikale engeri gye nze neewuunyiza twali twamanyira abasajja okukwata bubi abasibe naye leero neewuunyiza nti abasibe abakazi bennyini be badde bakwata abakazi bannaabo bubi nga babakwata omukyala n'akwata omusibe ebbeera akuta Olivia Luyaata n'amunyiga nga kwegamba nga alinga akwata ekyokuttale embeera eyo mbi nnyo kati ffe tweraliikiridde nti oba olaba ensi yonna ng'eraba ne babakwata bwe batyo kakati ki ekibeerawo eri mu makomera gye tutabeera bannange tulwane nnyo okulaba nga ennaku z'omwezi nga 15 tukyusa gavumenti eno tufune ekyukakyuka Bannayuganda eddembe lyabwe bannange libaddizibwa.
Amanya
nze Olivia Luyaata.
Muluzungu brief.
And we shall not give up. We shall not give up. Mama, keep quiet.